first video of the year. Happy New Year, everyone. Hello, Happy New Year. And today I am painting on the vinyl record. It will be my clock whenever I finish it. So, what was interesting that the most popular I guess paintings on the vinyl records or clocks were ocean type, ocean scene. So that's what we're going to do. I did have put gesso on my record label. If you can get rid of the label, that would be the best. But if you cannot, at least put gesso. So let's see, that's just my white. And let's just move it around, cover all the record. Okay. All right. So ocean scene, we would need the blues. I have my Thalio blue, very beautiful color. Good morning, everyone. So that's what I'm gonna put right here. Blue. I'll have some of my turquoise and teal. Teal is an absolutely gorgeous color, so I'm going to put some of it on top. The other color, what went well with this kind of paintings, was silver. Yeah, so I guess your sun reflects in the on the waves and it will look like silver. So we'll put some silver in the middle. And let's tilt it around and see what it's gonna look like. Give us waves and not nice little waves. Let's see. There we go. That looks pretty. So let's see if I can tilt it around. And oh, look at this, that's beautiful. Can you guys see? Yes. Let's see. How about we make this more wave look like? And this maybe? Make sure you clean your knife. And maybe this guy. Okay. Well, this is okay. We can fix this guy. And let's pull some white inside to give you beautiful waves. And let's spread that silver. It should be very pretty when the sun hits the silver. All right. Oh, look at that color. All right. And guys, if you do have any questions, please send me a personal message. It's difficult to answer questions when I'm painting. Difficult to see. All right. So I think I want to move it a little bit more. Okay, I think I want to put some white in here too. All right, so I'm trying to cover my label to make sure it's, even though we did put gesso on it, just trying to make sure that we don't have any bleeding of that label coming through. So I'm trying to make sure my darker colors are here. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see if I can move this white strap. Okay, I feel like I need a little bit more silver here. Let's see, where's my silver? Right here. Just a tiny bit. I feel like silver will make it very shiny in the sun if sun hits the clock. So let's see. maybe a little bit here. Okay. All right. I think that will look pretty. Let's make sure I have another napkin to get rid of just that little thing. I want it to be nice and white here. Right? Yes. And maybe here. Just a little bit. Your waves should have a lot of foam, right? All right. I think I like it. So just a tiny bit, I want to tilt it to spread some of those cells and cover my record. Here we go. Look at those cells. Look at those gorgeous cells. Yep. And this way, give me my waves shape. Pretty. I think we're done, guys. Here are my waves. Here are my turning waves. And here's my ocean, what makes all of this movement. I think that's going to be a beautiful clock. All right, so I am sorry again, I did not look through my painting at my phone. If you did have questions, please don't forget, send me a personal message and I'll try to answer it. And again, Happy New Year, guys. This was my first painting in 2019. Thank you for joining. Bye.